Yeah! Mmm, so good. So much food. Look at this.
ABC surprises!
Hi guys, welcome to breakfast time. Today we're going to make breakfast with Play-doh. I'm excited. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna need to make our breakfast are waffles. Then we're gonna need some butter, bacon, and strawberries and blueberries. Mmm, yum. Okay, let's make some breakfast. First, we start with our waffle maker. And let's pour in our waffle dough. Be careful because this is hot. Very hot. We're gonna put our waffle dough in the waffle maker. Just like that. Then we're gonna close our waffle maker all the way shut. Let the waffle cook just a little bit and open. There's our waffle. We have a nice juicy waffle. Hot, ready to eat. We're gonna take it out of the waffle maker. There's our waffle. Our first waffle. Mmm, yum, 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 yum. Let's put our waffle on the plate. But wait, we're not finished. We need some butter to go with that waffle and some fruit, right? Let's take our red Play-doh and mush it together, just like this. Then we're gonna put our red Play-doh where the strawberry belongs. But I'm still hungry. I want more fruit. Let's put our blue where the blueberry belongs. And we need flavor. We need to add some butter. Take your yellow and add to our butter tray. Now let's smush this down. Close our waffle maker one more time. Everything's cooking. Oh, cool. Now we have butter, a strawberry, and a blueberry. All right. We're almost done with breakfast. Now let's add that to our waffle. Butter and a strawberry and a blueberry. Oh, how delicious. Wait, we need more. I would like some eggs. Yes, let's have some eggs next. Okay, let's set this aside. Let's get cooking with some eggs. Here's our egg maker. We want to make some eggs. So let's take the egg white and the egg yolk. We're gonna make some eggs. All right, let's close our cooker and let our egg white cook. And open. All right. We did a fantastic job. Look at our egg. But wait, I want some egg yolk. How can I have some egg yolk? Let's put our egg yolk in the cooker. Close it. Ring. All right, it's ready. Our egg yolk is finished. And all right, our eggs are done. Let's add that to our breakfast. Yes, yummy, yummy. I love this breakfast so far. How beautiful is that? I'm still hungry. I really want some bacon. How can I make bacon? Well, let's take the bread. We're gonna make bacon. Let's put bacon in our cooker. We have to cook it just right and then close it. Let the bacon cook. Cooking, 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 cooking. Ah, yeah! Let's take the bacon out of the cooker. All right. Here's our bacon. We're almost done. Bacon with our eggs. Yes. Let's add that to our breakfast. All right. Now we have bacon, eggs, a waffle, and fruit. I am so hungry now. I would like some toppings. Let's make some toppings. I want a brown mushroom. So let's take the color brown. I want some onion with my egg. Oh, yes, onions. We're putting our onions in the cooker. We're gonna put our mushrooms in the cooker. And I would also like some cheese for my eggs. No eggs are complete without cheese. Let them cook. Voila! There's our mushroom, our yellow cheese, and our onion. All right, we have a lot of food. Let's cut our cheese down to make it a small size. Here's our cheese. What color is our cheese? That's right, it's yellow. Yellow cheese. Add that to our tray. And add our onion to our food. So good. So much food. Look at this. But I am still hungry. I really want toast. Let's make some French toast next. And let's put some bread in there. Now close the cooker. And open. Here's our French toast. Be careful, it's hot. All right. I really would like some butter on my French toast. Where's my butter maker? Here's my butter maker. Let's add some butter. What color is the butter? What color is our butter? Our butter is yellow. So let's add to our butter maker. Close our cooker. Ooh. And now I have butter for my toast. All right. I have so much food now. I have toast. I have butter. I have bacon, berries, mushrooms. Yes. So much food. I am so hungry. I can't wait to eat. Yes, now we have our yummy breakfast. I am so hungry and ready to eat.
Thank you so much for watching today. If you had fun today, go and press the red subscribe button. Thank you for watching ABC Surprise. Bye now.